So I have an unboxing video for one of the accessories for the Insta360 1R. So here it goes. Here we have the fast charging hub for the battery and the battery base. Unfortunately, I've ordered the mic adapter, but it got delayed. So let's try to do an unboxing. Firstly, let me dismount this so we can charge the battery. Dual charger. We can try to charge both of the batteries. So just hold here, push here, and we can dismount the battery. So let's unbox the battery first. Battery base safety guideline, so I don't think I'll need that. So this is the new battery, and let's unbox the fast charging hub. Before that, we'll see this is made by Arashi Vision, and what's special about the charger is it's 2 times faster charging. You can charge 2 batteries at one time, and smart efficient power delivery. So you'll need a USB Type-C charging cable. So here they provide with a power adapter as well. Let's see. The power adapter itself is a 100 to 240 volt, 0.6 amp. So here we have so this is the twin charging dock. And in here, I assume is the USB cable. Yep, USB type A to type C, and a instruction manual. So let's see. So this is, according to here, this is the charging ports, this one and this point, and you have a status indicator here, and this is the type C port charging. So the others are, if it's red, it's charging. If it's solid green, it's fully charged. If it's flashing, it's not detecting any battery. So that is simple enough. Here I have an Aoki power delivery power bank, and let's see if we can mount it into this adapter. So this is the pin, connecting pin. This is the connecting point. Just like the mounting to the battery, you'll just hold it to open up the pin to mount. So it's secure here. And can try to charge. So as mentioned, when it's red, it's charging. When it's blinking or no light, it's not detecting any battery. And when it's green, it's full. And I'll put the charging time in the description later on. So thank you very much for watching. This is the unboxing video for the charging hub and also the battery base. So I'm waiting for the stock for the mic adapter to come. I've ordered it I've ordered the mic adapter with this stuff, but unfortunately it's delayed or something. So thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe and give a like to the video. Thank you very much. Peace.